In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in InboxDollars account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link inboxdollars.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of InboxDollars. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. You can either click on this option member login, or you can also click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to log in to your account. You'll be able to continue with Google, Apple or email. So click on the login method that you used while creating the account. Here I'm just going to click on this option continue with email. If you also did that, what you have to do is enter your email address and password over here. Click on the field of email address and enter the email address associated with your account. Now once you do that, enter your password over here. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option forgot password and you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the credentials, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged in to your account. So that is how you log in InboxDollars account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.